Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Composer on your Windows laptop or on your MacBook. So what you have to do, you have to go on google.com and type Composer. So we use Composer for a lot of stuff. So if you're working with Laravel, for Laravel you must need Composer in your system to install Laravel packages and stuff. For that purpose you need Composer. If you don't have Composer, you can't install Laravel application in your system. So what you have to do, you need to do right click, open this in new tab. This is what I do normally. And here you will see this beautiful man. He's doing some kind of magic. He's from, like, I think from Harry Potter. That was a joke. So okay, click on download button, and here you will see download and run composer setup.exe. You need to click on this one. This is going to start downloading your composer setup. This will take like few seconds and few minutes. Yeah, it's done. This will normally takes like few seconds, few milliseconds. So click on open, or you can go into the downloads folder and you can install it from there. And here this is showing you select setup install mode. So you want to install for all user or install only for me. You know, sometimes you have to add users in your laptop and they are going to work on like different projects. So you can do install for all user, and you can click on install. It's up to you, like what you want to do. So I will say install for all user. This is recommended. And after that, you will see a like pop-up like this one, this prompt box. So it's saying installation options, set up install Composer to fixed location of all users, and it's saying to take control, just install Composer, and uninstaller will not be included. I will say developer mode and go on next. And my default location for Composer is C Composer, and I will say okay, go on, and it requires only a little bit space, 3.3 MB. Just click on next, and before installing Composer, you must have PHP, your XAMPP in your system. So if you don't have XAMPP, I have a video that I have created. You can go and watch that. Link is attached in the description. You can click on that and you can see how to install and download and install the XAMPP in your laptop. And I'm going to say add this PHP to your path. After that I will click on next, and this is going to install my Composer, and I'm leaving all this blank. Next. And now can you see I have the destination location, I have the PHP version. PHP version is very important, and for PHP version you need to install XAMPP in your laptop, and proxy is none. Add system paths, add system path, add to system path. These are like my system paths, like I need to add XAMPP, I need to add Composer, and these are directories, and I will say install. So this will take like few seconds or 1 minute to install in your laptop. And let's wait. Oh yeah, this is done. After that I will click next. I don't want to see any online documentation. I will click on finish. So my Composer has been installed, but I'm not sure my Composer is installed or not. For that purpose, what I have to do, I need to go here. I will type cmd. Once you have prompt like this, command prompt, what you have to do, you can type Composer and hit enter. You will see this type of stuff. If you see this type of stuff, what you have to do, you have to go back on top. If you see a similar to this one, this Composer word in your cmd, in your command prompt, or in your whatever CLI you are using, if you see this one, this type of message, that means you have Composer. It's saying Composer version 2.5.5. So that's it. So if you guys like my video, click on the like button, and do some comments on my video. If you get stuck somewhere, you can email me, and I will leave my email in the description. And if you want more videos and you want to stay updated with my videos, just hit enter, or just like subscribe my channel to stay updated. I'm going to upload more programming videos on my channels very soon. And yeah, I will see you in next videos. Take care. Bye bye.